Alright, so here we are on the video gallery page. So you will see that also on the video gallery page I've got most of the work done for you guys already. I just need you guys to put the final touches. So here I've got nice hovers on these tiles, and these are all dynamically loaded from the client's Vimeo playlist. So and they are loaded by lazy load, and so it's all great. Click on it. I can launch. Oops. If I click on it, I can launch the video here. So that's great. Close that. Okay. And here I've got the menu. Now, first thing is regarding the animation. Here there's a nice simple hover. It's nice, but it's not as nice as what I want to accomplish here with the CSS3 jQuery animation. So I want to do a glowing Ruby type animation where the image will zoom out when I move my mouse over it. So it creates a nice perspective effect. So I want to use this code, apply it to these tiles, so when I move my mouse over it also moves the image. And I want the words, the text here to appear kind of the way that it appears here. It kind of comes in, fades in as well, so it's very nice. I want to create that same effect here. And I want to get rid of this tooltip. It's very annoying. I think I just remove the alt tag. So if you could do that for me, that'd be great too. Now, the trickiest part about this is this menu. Now you'll see that as I scroll down, well, first of all, this menu, this bell part, just the bell, needs to remain fixed to the top. So when I scroll down, it should still remain in the center on the top there. Now it says highlights right now. So highlights represents what section I'm currently viewing. So this is a large video gallery. It has a lot of videos in it, but there are a lot of different types of videos, and they're organized by sections. So you can see that here, for example, is the end of the first section, is the end of the highlights section. So you can see that here, sorry, not this. This is the last highlights video, and here's the new video. So this is a remixed highlights. So that's the second group. So this is remixed highlights up to here, and then this begins the same day edit section. So there's 5 total or 6 total different sections. So there's so it'll be highlights, remix highlights, etc., etc. And what that will do, that will all appear here. So all the different types, all the different sections should appear here. And that can actually be static. I don't need you guys to make that dynamic for now. So we can just change the text here. It's actually right here in the header, so I can change this. So it's like highlights, and then remixed highlights, and let's do that real quick. So yeah, so the sections here will reflect what's here in the header.php. And what I needed to do is when I click, first of all, when I hover my mouse over each section, it will give me the description of that highlight. So I've already coded all of this. I just need you guys to make it so that when I click it, I just need you to trigger the scroll down to, actually I've already coded that as well. I just need you guys to set the anchors where each section begins, and then program it so that it smooth scrolls down to that anchor. I've already coded this whole thing. Is a very annoying thing to make, so it's all done. You guys just do the easy part. When you click it, it should take you down to that section. That's simple. And I need you guys to make it so that this menu stays fixed to the top. And then I need you guys to style it according to my design, which you can see here. So it should look like this. So that should, I'll send you the PSD as well. It should make a lot of sense to you when you see it. But this is the drop down, this is the menu items, and this is where the description is. So You can see that it's slightly off. It's a little different right now, just styling's not there and sizing, whatever, just basic CSS. So that's basically what I need you guys to take care of. And then the other challenge is, right now the section is broken down. So I've got I've got the beginning of the next section on a separate line. What I need it to do is I need them all to stack. So I need this to move up here and here. So I need to remove these blank spaces. So even though they're different galleries and they're different sections, I'd like to have them stack next to each other, and then set the anchor to be the first video of that section, and then have this trigger to scroll down to that first video. So that's basically what I need you to do. And then in terms of the animation, I just need you guys to so there's a little glitch here. If you guys can help me fix that as well. It has to do with the mouse enter. Sometimes it will glitch. So I'd like it so that right now, when I scroll, you can't tell right now because it's not fixed. It should be fixed, but when I scroll down to the next section, so this is highlights. When I get down to here, the header should change. The title should change from highlights to remixed highlights. And when it does that, I'd like there to be a cover, a zoom fade effect, very similar to what I had showed you guys before, the icon transitions. So I'd like just the text to become a little bigger. The soft scale, yeah. I'd just like the text to kind of fade and expand out. So instead of an image doing that, I'd like the title text here to zoom and fade up when I get to the next section. So it's very clear to the user that they've activated a new section, if that makes sense. Yeah, and then to fix this bug here, that would be great. And that's basically it for the gallery page.